Discover the amazing health benefits of pawpaw leaves and seeds. Nature's Hidden Remedies by Alexander Ocran. Content creator and graphic designer. Description: explore the powerful health benefits of pawpaw leaves and seeds, natural remedies backed by traditional wisdom and modern science. Perfect for wellness enthusiasts, herbal remedy seekers, and holistic health advocates. This article dives into how these underrated plant parts can boost immunity, aid digestion, and promote overall wellness. Introduction. Pawpaw, Asimina triloba, often overshadowed by its fruit, is a treasure trove of medicinal properties in its leaves and seeds. While the fruit is widely enjoyed, the leaves and seeds are packed with compounds that support health in surprising ways. This article uncovers their benefits, practical uses, and why they deserve a spot in your wellness routine. Health benefits of pawpaw leaves. 1. Immune system support. Pawpaw leaves are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which combat free radicals and strengthen immunity. Regular consumption of pawpaw leaf tea may reduce infections and inflammation. 2. Digestive health. The leaves contain enzymes like papain, which aid digestion by breaking down proteins. They're also used traditionally to relieve bloating, constipation, and stomach ulcers. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest pawpaw leaves may help manage blood sugar levels, making them a potential ally for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. 4. Skin health. Applied topically or consumed, pawpaw leaves promote collagen production, reduce acne, and accelerate wound healing due to their antibacterial properties. Health benefits of pawpaw seeds. 1. Natural detoxifier. Pawpaw seeds are known for their ability to cleanse the liver and kidneys. Their high antioxidant content helps flush toxins, supporting overall detoxification. 2. Anti-parasitic properties. The seeds contain carpane, a compound effective against intestinal parasites. Crushed pawpaw seeds mixed with honey are a traditional remedy for worm infestations. 3. Heart health. Packed with healthy fats and magnesium, pawpaw seeds support cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and regulating blood pressure. 4. Anti-cancer potential. Emerging research highlights the presence of acetogenins in pawpaw seeds, which may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. How to use pawpaw leaves and seeds. Pawpaw leaf tea. Steep dried leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink daily. 4. Immune support. Seed powder. Dry and grind seeds into a powder. Add a pinch to smoothies or juices. For detox benefits. Topical paste. Mix crushed fresh leaves with coconut oil to treat skin irritations or fungal infections. Safety tips. Avoid excessive consumption of seeds, as they may cause digestive discomfort. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult a healthcare provider before use. FAQ section. Q. Can pawpaw leaves help with malaria? Some studies suggest pawpaw leaf extracts may reduce malaria symptoms, but consult a doctor for treatment. Q. Are pawpaw seeds safe to eat daily? Limit intake to 1 to 2 teaspoons daily to avoid side effects. Conclusion. Pawpaw leaves and seeds are nature's underrated healers, offering solutions from immune boosts to detoxification. Incorporate them into your routine mindfully, and unlock their full potential for holistic health. For any info, dial +233 557 363681. Don't overdose on seeds, they're potent. Pregnant women avoid Always ask your doctor first. Want more life-changing herbal hacks? Smash that subscribe button to subscribe for more contents.